Hi students, welcome to Sri Sai Academy. Today topic we will discuss about 6th class chapter 2 whole numbers. Whole numbers. First introduction. Introduction. Whole numbers. First of all, what is natural numbers? What is natural numbers? What is natural numbers? What is natural numbers, sir? Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting numbers. Which one counting numbers, sir? Which numbers counting numbers? Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting numbers. Counting numbers are called. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers. Example 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. Infinity means continuation. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, countless. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. Next, it is denoted by letter. It is denoted by letter capital N. Capital N. N means natural numbers. Natural numbers. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers. Counting numbers including zero. Counting numbers including zero are called whole numbers. అంటే ఇదే నెంబర్స్ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ కి మనము జీరో అనేది యాడ్ చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. కౌంటింగ్ నెంబర్స్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ జీరో ఆర్ కాల్డ్ హోల్ నెంబర్స్. కౌంటింగ్ నెంబర్స్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ జీరో are called whole numbers. Whole numbers. Examples 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. Same. It is denoted by letter. Whole numbers denoted by letter. It is denoted by letter capital W. It is denoted by letter capital W. First of all, the introduction. Natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Examples 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. Infinity means countless. Continuing ga vache numbers natural numbers. It is denoted by letter N, capital N. Next, whole numbers. Counting numbers including zero. అంటే సేమ్ న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్స్ దానికి మనం ఏమి యాడ్ చేస్తామంటే జీరో అనేది యాడ్ చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. కౌంటింగ్ నెంబర్స్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ జీరో ఆర్ కాల్డ్ హోల్ నెంబర్స్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinity. It is denoted by letter capital W. Next, predecessor and successor. Predecessor and successor. Predecessor and successor. First of all, we will discuss about predecessor. Okay. Predecessor means before. If you subtract 1, if you subtract if you subtract 1 from a natural number, from a natural number we will get before that is called predecessor. Let us take one example. Okay, example. For example, predecessor means before. If you subtract 1 from a natural number, we will get before, that is called predecessor. అంటే ఏదైనా ఒక న్యాచురల్ నెంబర్ తీసుకొని దానిలో నుంచి 1 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే మనకు వచ్చే నెంబర్ predecessor means before. For example, 2 you will take 2 number 2 minus 1. If you subtract 1, 2 minus 1 means 1. Okay, 2 minus 1 before number. 2 before number which one? 1. 2 before number 1. Okay, next topic, successor. Successor means after. Successor means after. First predecessor కి ఏం చేస్తున్నాము, subtract 1 from a natural number, we will get before, that is called a predecessor. Successor means after. If you add 1 to a natural number, we will get after. That is called successor. Okay, successor means after. If you add 1 to a natural number, any natural number, we will get after, that is called successor. For example, ఏదైనా ఒక natural number తీసుకోండి. First, for example, 2. Same number we will take. Example 2. Add 1. Okay, add 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, successor means after. 2 after how much? 3. First of all, predecessor means before, successor means after. Predecessor, if you subtract 1 from a natural number, we will get before, that is called a predecessor. Successor means if you add 1 to a natural number, we will get after, that is called successor. Okay, next number line. What is number line? First of all, mark a point and draw a number line. Okay, draw a number line. First of all, take 0. Next 1. The distance between 2 points 0 and 1. The distance between 2 points 0 and 1 is called యూనిట్ డిస్టెన్స్. 0 నుంచి 1కి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ అంటే యూనిట్ డిస్టెన్స్. సేమ్ డిస్టెన్స్ 1 to 2. The distance between 2 points 1 and 2 is called unit distance. Same 2 and 3. The distance between 2 points 2 and 3 also unit distance. Next, the distance between 2 points 3 and 4. 3 and 4 also unit distance. Next, the distance between 2 points 4 and 5 is called unit distance. The distance between 2 points 5 and 6 same unit distance. Same 7, 8 is called a number line. Right of 0. 0 is the right side of numbers, whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6, 7, 8 is called a number line. Next topic, addition on number line. Addition on number line. Addition on number line. First of all, same. Draw a number line. Draw a number line. Take points, whole numbers 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Addition on number line. For example, let us take numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 whole numbers. 3 plus 4. For example, let us take a 3 plus 4. Addition on number line. Addition on number line. For example, 1, 0 నుంచి 1 కి 1, next 1 to 2, 2 to 3. ఓకే 3 plus 4 అంటే 4 యాడ్ చేయాలి. అంటే మనం ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకోవాలా? 3 నుంచి తీసుకోవాలి. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see here 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3 plus 4 7. Here 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Okay, next same for subtraction on number line. Subtraction on number line. Subtraction on number line. Same. Draw a line. Let's take whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. For example, subtraction on number line. For example, 7 minus 5. Okay, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 means here. See, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. 7 minus 5 equal to 2. Next, multiplication on number line. Multiplication on number line. Next, we'll draw a number line. Draw a number line. Take whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, multiplication on number line. For example, let us take example 4 into 3. 4 into 3. First of all, 0 to 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, 4. 4 into 3. Next, 3 to 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Next, 6 to 9. 6 to 9. Next, 9 to 12. Okay, 9 to 12. 4 3s are 12. This one number line.